Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Screencastomatic. Screencastomatic is brilliant for recording your screen. So for instance, when you're showing slides for a presentation within a course, or showing how to do something, for instance, this is what I use when I do the techie videos for you all. You can also record your screen, or you can have screen and slides at the same time, for instance, or record your screen and your face. Okay, there's a free version that you can use, but you can only record up to 15 minutes on the free version. If you want to record over 15 minutes, then you need to have the paid version. The paid version is about $15 a year, that's all it is. That's about $10 in UK pounds. And whenever you take it out is when it renews again, so it automatically takes the money every year. So it's really not very expensive to use, and it's absolutely brilliant. I don't use anything else for recording screen. I'll use Photo Booth on my Mac for recording face-to-face videos, just because it's easy to use. To be honest, I don't know anything like that on Windows that you can use, but you can use Screencastomatic for both, so you're sorted there. Right, so I don't know, I shouldn't have had that open. Right, so this is what it looks like. You need to sign up for it. Really doesn't take very long, but you can start off with the free version to have a play if you want to straight away. And then once you load it up, you just click on Start Recorder, and you'll see it says Launching Recorder at the bottom. Okay, it just takes a while to load. Obviously I'm recording this on my phone because I can't use Screencastomatic to record my screen and record using it at the same time, if you know what I mean. A bit confusing. There we go, it says Recorder Launched. And then you'll get a little box come up, okay? If you want to record webcam, so that would be just your face-to-face video. You can have both, so it records the screen and webcam, so you get your face and whatever you're showing on your screen. Or you can have just screen, and I'm going to show you just screen today. Okay, so, and then you just click on Record, and it gives you 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so whatever I'm saying now is recording my screen. So for instance, if I wanted to do some slides, I could do that. Now it records whatever's in that box, and you can actually change the box, but you need to do that before. So I'm just going to pause the video a minute, and you can change the box where it's recording. Sorry if I'm moving around quite a lot. Can you see in the corner there? There's like a little corner symbol. Click on that, and you can change the size of the box and where it's recording, and then you can move your background around so that it's just recording the actual slides. I'm just going to move that. Okay, so that will just record the slide. I'm going to move it down a little bit. Oops. But you have to do that before you start or pause your video. Okay. And that's the beauty of this. You can pause it and then start recording again. Okay. Give you a countdown. And then, you would just talk and share your slides. And then you can just click on your slide for the next one. Okay. Talk whatever about whatever you want to. There we go. And then once you've finished recording, you just hit pause. It gives you the countdown here of how long you've been recording. Not very long. That means you can draw on there if you want to. I never use that, to be honest. So I'm just going to click on the pause button at the bottom. Okay. And then you just click on Done. Okay. And you can save it as a video file, which will save it on your computer. That's what I normally do, to be honest. And then I upload it to YouTube afterwards, because if you upload it to YouTube straight away, it takes a really long time. So I tend to, if you click on recording there, it comes up here and you can give it a name. So I could call it, or this would be, whoops, this is really hard to type and hold my phone at the same time. I'll just call it chakras. I didn't mean to do that in capitals, but still. And then just press enter, and it publishes this as an MP4, and I put it on my desktop. You can change your folder as well, I think. I'm not sure whether it comes automatically on your desktop. I'm pretty sure you can change that if it doesn't. I've got mine to set to record on your desktop, and then you just click publish, and then it will just publish it onto the desktop for you. And then just click on OK. There we go. And if you want to carry on recording, you can just click on record again there. Okay. And you can start recording again. There's also a little icon here in the corner, so if you can't find, if it says that it's the recorders or the screen recorder launch is already open, you can just click on that there. Okay, so I wanted to record another one, I'd just do, whoops, record in the corner, and it counts me down again, and off we go again. Okay, if it's no good and you want to start again, just pause it, and you can click on this little bin here, and that will delete everything and start over if you make a mistake. But as I say, you can record hello, this is Jan, I'm recording a video, and then pause and then start again. You know, you just start recording again and it'll pick up where you've left off. And that's all there is to it. It's so easy to use. But as I say, you click done when you're finished, and then it will, you can upload it to Screencastomatic as well if you want to. I don't tend to do that, to be honest, because I'll save it on my laptop, and then I'll go into YouTube separately and upload it to there, so that I've always got it to keep, you know, because, you know, if you store too many videos on your PC, it's going to take up a lot of room. But I tend to use Dropbox for storing all my stuff in anyway, so that I don't lose anything. So, you know, if you want to upload it to YouTube, I would recommend doing that separate, because it can take a long time. So that's it. That's all there is to it. Absolutely fabulous, fabulous tool for recording video. Any questions, just pop them in the group. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.